using GameLoom, once you have it launched, is pretty straightforward. It doesn't matter what operating system you're on, the experience is system agnostic. The first thing that you're going to be met with when you launch it is the landing page here, where there's a couple of clickable icons. So if you already have a CSV that's filled with your Steam stuff, you can go ahead and click this button and open it that way. Go right into the program with it. Similarly for GOG, itch, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, any of that. Now, if you have a custom library that contains a bunch of different platforms already, maybe you've been tracking this yourself manually for some time now, so you would just choose the GameLoom CSV. So this is going to work for your custom CSVs as well as pre-exported CSVs that GameLoom made. Maybe you were using it earlier and you exported and now you're going to open your library up again. You would click on this if you already had something like that, and I'm just going to use this demo library. And when we choose to open, we see that it's already populated with, if I just want the Steam stuff's there. The GOG stuff, that's there. Itch, that's there. PlayStation, so forth. And then physical games actually doesn't filter based on platform. So some of it's PlayStation, some of it is Nintendo, some of it is Xbox, right? This is actually filtering based on whether or not you've given the title this physical property. If there's anything here, no matter what character you choose to mark it with, if there's anything there, then it'll show up here. Now, let's say that you don't have a CSV for any of these, and you're on the landing page and you're not really sure where to start. Should you get that? Should you go manually? My advice would be to first stop by the help page. So there's a jump link here that'll take you right into a new tab for help. And inside here, we've got links to this playlist, a link here to our frequently asked questions, which will take you to the FAQ on our GitHub. We have a support button here that if you click it, it'll open up your default email client and auto-populate the recipient field to our support email. We also have direct links to the exporters that we recommend, that we have tried, tested, we know are safe, we know that they still work. And we've even gone so far as to make a series of tutorial videos on how to use those just to make everyone's life a little bit easier. So if you've gone through all of that and now you have some CSVs and you want to import one of them, have at it. These links will work the same way as we showed with the custom. You'll just click it, choose the Steam CSV that you know is the Steam one, and it'll jump you right into the program with your Steam stuff imported. If you chose to bypass all of that, though, and you didn't want to do any of that, and maybe you just wanted to jump manually into the library, the way that you're going to do that is you're just going to back on this main page in the landing page. You'll just click go straight to the library. And the assumption is if you're doing this, you're probably going to want to start by manually entering some data, and so you'll start at the manual entry.